Hello children, I Rachna Shrivastava, class teacher of LKG, once again welcome you all in the online class of Divine Public School. Do you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet? They are A, B, C, T, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, this is your English with Phonics pre-primer book. Now children, I am going to teach you about vowels and consonants. So children, open page number 20. The vowels. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O and U. The consonants. Apart from the vowels, there are 21 consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now children, this is your writing time. First of all, write today's date. Today is 18, month is 6 and year is 21. Now this is your margin line. After margin line, write here vowels V, O, W, W, E, L, S. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. First is A, E, I, O and U. Look again. A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O and U. This way you will complete this page. Now after vowels, how many consonants? There are 21 consonants. First of all, write C, O, N, S, O, N, A, N, T, S. Consonants. Now children, we will start writing consonants. A is vowel, so we will not write here. Consonant starts from B. After B, which letter comes? C, D, and E is vowel, so we will not write E here. After E, which letter comes? F. G, H, I is vowel, so after I, J, K, L, M, N, and O is vowel. After O, P comes. Q, R, S, T, and then after T U comes, and U is vowel, so we will not write here. After U, V comes. V, W, X, Y, and Z. So there are 5 vowels. 5 vowels. And how many consonants? 21 consonants. And write 1 page vowels and 1 page consonants. Thank you.